What is going on, guys? And thanks again for watching my latest video. So my wife has been saving up for a while and she got me a gift. So I've come home from a long day of work and I see this. And I figured before opening it and knowing exactly what it is, I get behind the camera and give you guys a raw feedback of, first of all, what it is and how I feel about it. So let's get started. So I have no idea what it really could be, considering that I've been speaking to her about a lot of things. It's definitely not a Lamborghini, and we've had some talks about some electronics and some cool stuff that I really needed and said that it's better for us to wait on. So I have no idea what's inside, but the suspicion is giving me anxiety, so let's get into it. So I come home, I see on my to-do board that it says that my baby got me something, and then there's a box down where the arrow's pointing, and it says, from your wife to El Patron, and that's just a little insider between us because El Patron means boss in Spanish, and that is what I am. So she calls me El Patron, and it's funny. Anywho, let's see what she got me. So, oh my god, it is the A7 3rd generation from Sony. This thing is like 2,500 bucks. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I really didn't want to get it just because, you know, it's a lot of money to just spend on a camera. And this is really sentimental because, you know, my wife also works with me. And we pretty much always know everything about each other. And I'm sure it's taken her quite some time to save up for this. Oh man. That's awesome. I have actually been complaining about no strap for my camera and that it's always in my hands. So that won't be an issue anymore. Oh no, it comes with the lens too. This is the lens made by Sony, the 28 by 70 millimeter lens. Oh my gosh, never even owned one of these before. And if you don't know, they're extremely expensive. This is fantastic. This is definitely one of the best gifts I've ever gotten. Take a look at that. This is literally a gift for me and for you guys. Even got a sale with the gift. Awesome. So this isn't only just going to be a gift for me. It's definitely a gift for all of us because I'm going to be able to deliver better quality content with these new gadgets. So it's a win-win for everybody, and I obviously don't even know how to put the cap on. Let's get to the good stuff. Here it is, Sony A7 III. Oh my gosh, my wife is the best. This is awesome. This is literally the Mac Daddy of cameras. I don't really think it gets any better than that. Well, it does actually. If you take this off and you add the lens that I got with it, then it makes it so much better actually. Holy moly, this thing is no joke. I should know that there are no batteries in it. You see, I'm just so excited that I'm not even thinking straight. So, listen, the moral of the story is shout out to my wife / editor / business partner, because this is the most wickedest gift I've ever gotten. It comes with 2 batteries. Thank God, because honestly, that's another huge issue that I've been facing with the A6400 from Sony. It kind of is a fantastic camera, but it's missing features like the option to have your videos Bluetooth to your computer, kind of like having it airdrop through Wi-Fi, but with Bluetooth. Wow, so here it is, and it even has a flip up LCD. So I'm feeling super happy about this because of so many different reasons. Number one, we're gonna have a better camera to be able to drop videos onto the computers that we're editing with easily. Also, the camera has 2 batteries, so that's gonna definitely last me some more time. The quality is definitely gonna be better, and so much more. So as you can see here, it's showing the features that I was just talking about, and it's just gonna be easier for you to share your videos and all the content on your camera through your wireless devices at an easier rate than converting it to the MacBook and waiting for it to duplicate. Although this is an expensive camera, at the end of the day, it's all about the intention, and I received it loud and clear. I support and love you, babe. Thank you so much for this amazing gift. And if you guys want to know anything about this camera or have any pointers on how to use it, because now it's step 2, which is going to be mastering the equipment and trying to deliver better, more high quality content for my viewers. And if you're new to the channel, this is where I talk about how to make, save, and reinvest money. So like and subscribe, and we will see you guys on the next one. Peace.